Welcome to your 7th tutorial on HTML. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your web page. Now, I want you to create a folder on your desktop, and in there, put the image inside there as well as your HTML code. And that way we don't have to worry about specifying a location for the image. It'll automatically be rendered when we add it to our HTML code. Now, if you want to add it to another location, you can do that. You just have to specify the directory where it's at. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the source in Notepad. Now, the first thing is let's create a header tag. Remember, we used that from the first couple videos. And let's create a header for our image. And we're just going to call this Washington, D.C. because that is where I actually took the photo. Now let's create a paragraph tag to encapsulate everything. Now for an image we use the img tag, and the attribute we will specify is source equals and then quotes, and here is where we will specify the source of our image. In this case it's just an image.jpg, and as I said, we don't have to actually specify a directory because it's in the same directory as the source, so the image will be found. And then we give it an angle bracket. Now you might be wondering why I didn't have to give a closing img tag. And this is one of those tags that doesn't need a closing tag. And that is because we're only putting this image here. There's no other content that has to go in here. No text or anything like that. So let's go ahead and save this. And we will minimize this now. And let's go ahead and render it. And there you can see we've got our image, we've got our nice header describing where this is, and so that's how you put an image into an HTML document.